Hey everyone, Ken here at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown inside this gorgeous new AMG GLS 63 SUV. Now this vehicle is special in so many ways, but I'm going to talk to you about one special feature that's in so many of our new AMG vehicles, so many of our new Mercedes-Benz vehicles, so many of our Mercedes-Maybach vehicles, and it's something that everybody wants to know about, and it's ambient lighting. So right now I'm going to turn on the car and show you a little bit about what ambient lighting means inside a Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Now upon starting the car, you'll notice right away that this beautiful red light has lit up all over the car, throughout the whole dash, around the speakers, around these armrests in the GLE and GLS SUVs, and even on the speakers on this beautiful vehicle with the Burmester high-end 3D sound system. Now, I'm not limited to just red. I actually have 64 different colors available to me to choose from. So all I have to do is go over to the comfort menu inside our MBUX vehicle, tap on ambient lighting, and I can change the color and the brightness right from here. So from color, I can go in and choose a multicolor program, and it'll quickly change through and start to cycle through these beautiful blues for ocean blue, or I can go to jungle green and get some really cool greens, yellows going on. It has different welcome effects, climate, so this is super cool. If you turn up the heat, it turns red, turn down the heat, it turns blue. So cool, I love it, it's so neat. I can also go in brightness, and I can edit the brightness for the whole vehicle. So right now I have it all the way up, I can turn it all the way down, or I can edit individual brightness zones. So I can keep the front nice and bright, keep the ambient lighting in the back lower, go through all of those different settings. That's a quick overview of the Mercedes-Benz ambient lighting system that's available in almost all of our 2021 vehicles. Reach out to us via comment or call the dealership today to learn a little bit more about which cars have the ambient lighting, and let us know which cars you'd like to see it in.